Have you been waiting for that perfect starter home? Are you looking to grow your family and need space?
And are you interested in flying planes? Or do you like jogging by a beach early morning, perhaps 5 a.m.? Or would you rather spend your time in a park reading a book? Are you looking for easy access to and off the highway? Or are you someone who's looking to be near a hospital?
Then I got the perfect property for you. Welcome to 449 Central Street South in Oshawa. Come on, follow me, I'll show you around. This 3-bedroom, 3-washroom home is the homeowner's pride as they maintain it with love. Any family will love this open concept layout and enjoy this eat-in kitchen. This home has crown molding throughout the house and wainscoting everywhere except the bedrooms. And here is the cherry on the top, this beautifully sized backyard. If you have more questions or you would like to view this home, better call Lodi as this will not last long.